Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to install universal door edge guards. The exact way to install these will vary depending on what product you're using. This one, it just comes in a big coil, so you cut it to length. So I'm going to figure out what length I need here. Start from about here, and I will be going around this body line right here. But that won't take too much of the length, so I'm just going to go straight down and cut it right about there. So then, just use a pair of scissors to cut it to length. And you gotta be careful because there are metal clips inside here, so you need to get between those clips. And then inside, you have to remove the metal clips from each end, so those aren't exposed. Might have to dig in the rubber a bit to find them. And also trim up the edge once you've gotten the metal out, just so it looks nice. Then just take a rubber mallet, start the top where you want it to be, and start tapping it on. You can make a second pass to make sure everything's fully seated, but just for now, we'll get it on. It's a little tricky along this body line here, but this conforms very nicely. Now it's all on, just do one more pass to make sure it's all seated. And it's installed. And now I won't be leaving white marks on my wife's car anymore. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.